Hello, this is Carol, your health coach, and I'm here to just showcase something that I've been working on. It is a part of the journey that I've been taking you through. It's called Back to My Roots. These are still my roots. I am privileged to have some space. I'm privileged to have a mother who we can work together. I'm privileged to have an environment that things can grow together. Looking at this, these are bags. They're not the normal simple polythene bags, and sometimes you can use the used cement bags. And why we came up with this project is to help someone who has a balcony and they are wondering, where do I get my organic vegetables from? All these gunias that you see here, we have planted and we have experimented with almost every plant that we have, every herb. And if lemongrass can survive in this gunia, anything can survive. So what we have done is that we have enriched our soil. We have made sure that we have mixed it with lime to alkalize it. Then we also use the rabbit urine as our fertilizer, also as our pesticide. It doesn't have any chemicals, and our soil is well treated, that if you carry this bag, you go with it to your balcony. After 6 months, you will still have something to get out of this. Like, for example, this is oregano. For those who use oregano in baking, in cooking, if you cut the head, it will keep growing. So this is mint. These are onions. This is spinach. This is lemongrass. So what we have done, even thyme we have planted. So what you've done, it's like you don't need to keep changing the soil. It is mixed and well chemicated in quotes. So the next time you will tell me that you don't know where to get the organic produce, we are here. We'll sort you out. So it comes as a package. You get this gunia. You get it with the manure, what is it called? The rabbit urine, which will be your organic manure. And also it comes with a manual that I have written on how to care for these plants. So you're able to know how to water them, how to harvest, how to store them, how to preserve them, and even how to harvest them. When you get this one together with its urine, which is manure and pesticide, and then the manure, it comes at a cost of just Kenya shillings 1,500. So you'll just carry them and then you will keep harvesting. The beauty and why we use this kind of paper is because it's able to retain water. At the same time, if you keep it on your balcony, it will not soil your balcony even after you have poured too much water. So that is why we use this as opposed to the other gunias. But we also have the potted plants. We have them in plastic. We have them. I know I'll take several shots on the other kitchen garden, and you'll see that we can use even a bucket. We can use a karai. We can use anything. So it's what you want is what we give you. So the next time you need something like this, remember, Rejuvenating Nature's Beam is here to sort you out, and we'll sort you out even with a manual so that you can know how to prepare. Give us a text. Send us a text message 0711 621563 0711 621563. And when you send a text message, we can organize and see how you can get sorted out on these things. So we are here to rejuvenate nature's beam as always. And we are happy when you are happy, when you're healthy. And with Carol, your health coach, you get healthy and you stay healthy. Until I see you next time, see you.